Whether you're a first-time camper or a seasoned outdoor veteran, choosing the best camping gear for your trip can be the difference between a memorable or miserable time. From hiking gadgets to unique camping accessories, there are plenty of products that can enhance your next trip into the wilderness. Get ready to upgrade your camping setup, as we take a closer at the best camping you can buy on Amazon in 2022. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for our future updates. Number 1. Portable camping chair. Portable camping chairs are high on the list of camping gear essentials for most seasoned campers. After a fun day of hiking or activities, you want to be able to sit back and relax on something far more comfortable than the floor or a mat. Utilizing a great portable design that folds up with ease, the Coleman Portable Camping Chair is a great investment for any camping setup. The armrests also come equipped with 4 cooler pouches. Sink into the soft polyester and take a well-earned sip of your refreshing drink as you look out over the beauty of the woods. Number 2. Headlamp. Darkness in the great outdoors can be dangerous. So make sure you have a quick and effective way to light up the area around you. While flashlights no doubt work, they take up one of your hands. This is why a headlamp is seen by many as the ultimate camping gear choice for lighting dark paths. With a headlamp, you keep both your hands free. This can be vital when you're trekking through uneven surfaces and need to keep your balance. BioLite headlamps are either battery-operated or USB charged. They are compact, efficient, and a more natural way to light darkened areas. Number 3. Water purifier. If you're camping for a couple of days, you should have no problem bringing enough water. But for longer, you may need to find a water source. We all know the critical importance of having enough water. But drinking rainwater or freshwater from a non-filtered source is often very risky. A water filter or purifier is one of those must-have camping gadgets if this is the case. These devices come in various forms, from pumps to straws. If you're camping with a group, a gravity water filter is an excellent choice. This will allow you to filter gallons of water for all of your party. Number 4. Waterproof lighter. Whether it be for warmth or cooking, you should also have the camping gear on hand to be able to make fire. A waterproof lighter is one of the best camping accessories you can bring with you. Its waterproof design ensures the lighter can still work in wet conditions. Fun's waterproof lighter is completely flameless. It's recharged via USB, and uses plasma, not flames, to light wood or other materials. Particularly if you plan to head into more rugged, isolated terrain, you're going to need equipment that can withstand wet and difficult conditions. Number 5. Solar charger. Out in nature, there's no direct line to electricity. Once chargers and portable batteries run out of juice, you may not be able to charge your devices. Step forward the solar charger. This piece of weird camping gear utilizes the strength of the sun in warm weather. From there, you have a solar-powered charger to keep your devices running. Solar chargers work more efficiently depending on the strength of the sun. So in warm weather, with the sun high, you'll have a reliable power source. Phones, cameras, and headlamps can all be recharged. For camping trips lasting several days, this clever camping gadget could be a lifesaver. Number 6. Open fire popcorn popper. Maybe you've got some files downloaded to a tablet. Or maybe you and your family just want to sit outside and watch the beauty sale you buy. Making popcorn is a fun camping activity. Whether it's with your partner, friends, or family, popcorn is fun to make and delicious to eat. If you've got your open fire cooking gear already set up, a popcorn popper is a simple and great addition to pack with your food. This piece of unique camping gear can help keep everyone entertained. At the end of it, you'll have a large bowl of crunchy popcorn to dip your hands into. Number 7. GoPro Hero 10 Waterproof Camera. Are your camping friends always telling you about the epic adventures they go on, but never capture any footage? A GoPro could be a great camping gift for them. GoPro excels at creating products that seamlessly attach to you. Often, you can do outdoor activities with a GoPro and completely forget it's attached to you. GoPro Hero 10 pulls out all the stops for action-based video recording. You can record 5.3K video and snap 23 megapixels photos. All this incredible technology is packed into a tiny camera. A GoPro can be a great way to enhance your friends' or family's camping trip. Plus, it will allow them to record those magical moments and keep them forever. One of the best camping gadgets to give as a gift. Number 8. Portable espresso maker. Love your coffee in the morning? In cold weather, a delicious cup of piping hot coffee goes a long way to set you up for the day. But there's only so much a vacuum flask can hold. If you love your coffee, a portable espresso maker could be the answer to your morning coffee fix. Bringing a portable espresso machine and a pack of pods would be able to provide you with coffee for days, unlike a vacuum flask. Wakako's Nanopresso machine is simple to use. With its patented pumping system, you can serve yourself a hot cup of coffee within minutes. Number 9. Indoor propane heater. For those bitterly cold nights, you may find your sleeping bag and blankets are not enough. A propane heater could be an essential piece of camping gear. Propane heaters are highly effective at heating small, enclosed spaces. As they use propane cylinders, they are much safer than starting a fire. The Mr. Heater MH4B Little Buddy gives you between 5 to 6 hours of warmth. It's indoor safe and can be tilted to a 45-degree angle, allowing you to warm the whole tent. Simple, but effective if you know the nights are going to be very cold. That brings us to the end of this video. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.